For this application, we'll find grade point averages. We'll find the grade point average, or GPA, for one semester given the following grades. And we'll assume the grade point averages are 4.0 for an A, 3.0 for a B, and so on. We'll also round the answer to the nearest tenth. Now notice there are 5 courses taken, the grades are given, and the number of credit hours for each course is given. In order to find the grade point values, we will find the grade point values for each course to begin with. The course grades were B for Intro Algebra, A for English, C for Business, B for Spanish, and B for Typing. The credit hours were 3, 3, 4, 3, and 2. To find the grade point value for each class taken, a B is worth 3.0 points. So we multiply 3.0 times 3, and we get 9. And A is worth 4.0 points. 4.0 times the 3 hours for the second class is worth 12. A C is worth 2.0 points. 2.0 times the 4 hours credit, 2.0 times 4 is 8. A B is worth 3.0 points per credit hour. 3.0 times 3 is 9. And the last course, Typing, was 2 credit hours. Again, there was a B for a grade. 3.0 times the 2 credit hours gives us 6 grade point values. Now, we need to add the total number of grade point values, and we get 44. The grade point average is determined by the number of credit hours taken and by the grade point values in total. So we need to add these values together, and we get 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 15. 15 is the number of credit hours. 44 is the number of grade points. So the grade point average, or GPA, is the grade points, number of grade points, divided by the number of credit hours. If we do that division, we get 2.9 and 3 repeating as a repeating decimal. And typically, these are given rounded to the nearest tenth. Rounding this to the nearest tenth, we get 2.9. So the grade point average for this semester is 2.9.